Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I wanted to show a small example of how powerful tools and custom editors are in Unity to help in the game development process. In this example, I'm considering a grid-based level, and without a level editor, I'm dragging and dropping each tile prefab individually to create the base of my level, and trying to align these tiles with each other to form a seamless level. And now addition of new tile may cause some undesired results, like the tile is way below the other tiles, and I would have to spend my time adjusting the coordinates of these tiles and moving them manually. To tackle this problem and improve my efficiency, I decided to write a simple custom tile editor to quickly help me with creating levels. Here is my first pass of the tile editor, which would be able to select a tile prefab from the palette of tile prefabs containing a variety of tiles and paint them in the world to be used as a level. Now the first pass shown in the video also had a lot of problems. We could paint tiles over each other, they were created at the same level, but the X and Z's were a mess. Plus, I wasn't happy with changing the tile prefab every time I wanted to paint a new tile. And so, I updated the tool till I was satisfied with the results, which are shown on screen. I created a grid-based system which the user could determine the size of, and it's similar to the 2D tile map package of Unity. You could select and add tile prefabs from your assets, which get added to the palette, the tile palette. You could select which tile you want to paint. The selected tile and its preview would be available to help the user see which tile is being painted. You could also remove unwanted tile from your palette. The process of painting these tiles is as follows. You click on the Create Grid button to have the grid or the map ready for the tiles to be drawn on. You add and select the tile you want to paint. You click on the brush tool and start painting these tiles by clicking on the grid tiles in scene, which are shown in white. The eraser tool helps in removing these painted tiles, and the white grid tiles cannot be removed by these tools. The destroy grid clears up the extra unwanted tiles. Also, this grid tile prefab is editable, allowing the user to enter any tile of their wanting. Like if somebody wants to keep the grid tiles as a base tile in their level, the references to grid parent and tile parent just allow clean hierarchy and user-friendly structure by moving these tiles under those specified objects at the time of their creation. Although this tool would still require tons of work and I can think of multiple ways to improve it even more, its current version is able to satisfy the needs for which this tool was created, at least for now. And hence I stopped with further upgrading this system. And in conclusion, this tool did help me save a lot of time in creating the base of my levels, and I honestly prefer spending time in creating this tool than I would have spent manually moving all those tiles around. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts and happy to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.